They say life has its own flavor, but success is a recipe, one you have to cook yourself. You can't just throw everything into the pan and expect magic. You need patience, passion, and a little bit of fire. At first you'll burn things. You'll follow someone else's recipe, and it won't taste right. You'll question yourself, maybe I'm not cut out for this. But growth, like good food, takes time. Every mistake adds seasoning to your story. Cooking teaches you something powerful. If the heat's too low, you'll never get the flavor. If it's too high, you'll burn it before it's ready. That's life too. To make money, to grow, to succeed, you need balance. You can't rush the process. You just have to trust the simmer. And here's the secret. No great chef cooks alone. Behind, they taste, they test, they learn from others. That's how you grow in business too. Collaboration is the salt that brings out the flavor of success. Because when you share your table, your opportunities multiply. Then one day, you get it right. The timing, the balance, the presentation. It all comes together. That's when success starts to smell good. That's when people start saying, wow, what's your recipe? But here's the twist. Your success isn't just about your plate. It's about how you serve others. Because real growth happens when your skills feed more than just you. When you turn your passion into something that nourishes others, that's when money flows naturally. So, don't rush your recipe. Don't compare your kitchen to someone else's. Keep tasting, adjusting, learning. Because every failure is just seasoning for your next masterpiece. And remember, your mindset is the kitchen. Your passion is the fire. Your consistency, that's your secret ingredient. So, keep stirring. Keep believing. Your success will soon be served hot, and trust me, it'll be worth every single burn, because success, just like cooking, is an art of patience, flavor, and faith.